Tonight is the traditional Christmas Eve family dinner. Isn't it, Brooke? Isn't it, Brick? What the hell are you talking about, mate? A lot of crap.
Oi, Mason, what are you doing?
Hey, what are you doing, Mason?
In the bathroom. There's only enough for
Dito sa amin, wala kaming kanin, di ba, VJ? Sanay ka na? Walang kanin dito. Wala kaming kanin dito, Shanta. Wala kaming kanin. Okay lang ba sa'yo? Shanta, you gonna eat? Oh, how was it? It's good?
Yeah. How do you cook this one?
That's kalabasa,
Yeah, I know.
but Australian kalabasa. No, the pumpkin, mate. Pumpkin.
That's sweet potato, it's not pumpkin. Sweet potato, mate.
in boxes, maybe.
Froggy wee, mate.
Is that you, Hallie?
She's going, how can you not figure that out?
I probably had him already.
Okay, ready?
So, we're gonna put.
Yep, pull it.
Wait
Ready?
lang.
Whoever gets the biggest piece wins.
Okay.
Ready?
1,
2, 3, go.
Ah,
Shanta wins.
it's a crown.
Wow.
Wait.
Ang ganda.
Fit my head.
Go on, wear it.
What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back?
Bongga.
What the heck?
Shal.
What the heck? How'd you know that? What is this?
Joke in the book.
It's a shoehorn.
Yeah, it's a shoehorn to put your shoe on, Emily. Oh, wear some shoes you got.
We're gonna be trying to get like the back of your shirt.
White thing on the side.
That's actually useful stuff.
PLGP.
Yeah, I've got a tape measure.
Good.
A tape measure, Brooke.
I got a mini
Kieran.
badminton set.
Oh, badminton set, mate.
Badminton.
Kieran, mate. What is that?
I don't know.
You got a key ring, is it? That's cool.
Bad liars.
What's your joke, mate?
What did the fish say when it swam into a wall?
What?
Damn.
Shanta, you have a joke in your thing here.
Okay.
See that piece of paper on the side? What does it say? Read it out, mate.
What do you call a group of sheep rolling down a hill?
What?
A group of ships.
Landslide.
Ship or sheep?
A landslide.
Sheep.
Sheep. A group of sheep. A group of sheep.
Did I said sheep.
The way you said sheep was funnier than the joke. What? A landslide? Oh, a
It's a
lamb slide. That's why a lamb slide.
Sheep.
What's your joke, mate?
Suggesting. He says, what's the biggest joke of this year? Our builder.
Dad is building Adam's house, that's why.
Idiot.
Oh yeah, here's Shanta's joke. BJ's life.
Appreciate it, mate.
Hey Shanta, what's it like eating food with no rice? Ulam na walang kanin.
Okay lang.
Mababusog ka niyan.
Hey, Brooke.
You ready?
Hey, Brooke.
Yin versus yang.
I gotta go.
Go.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
What, 3?
Oh, Andy beat you, Shanta. You're so strong.
Is this even a handkerchief?
Oh, you hold that in.
It's a master
You're the
treat.
crap star.
What'd you get, Emily? What's your joke?
It's whoever pulls the least hard.
Oh, I'm not even saying that. It's so late.
Come on, read it.
Shanta can read it.
Shanta will say ship again.
What do you call a 3-legged donkey?
Squared. Oh, yes.
What?
A wonky.
You can do it twice. Hey Shanta, how was your dinner na walang kanin?
Masarap.
Sarap? Really? Wow. Shanta, that is pavlova.
Yeah.
This is
Yes, it is.
caramel tart.
Caramel tart.
Yum.
So you reckon, Shanta?
Kiwi.
She's never had it
We
before.
never had it.
Never had it before.
Australia's dessert.
So you reckon, Shanta? Go for it.
I have to get
Okay,
some of that.
Who else wants Pab?
Not me.
Smash it.
What do you think? Good.
You like it?
BJ's mum likes
You
it
should
too.
make this for
She likes pavlova. Maligayang Pasko! Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Nandito kami ni Shanta ngayon sa Australia.
It's Chubby Bobby.
Hey Mason, kasama namin si Mason. Pamangkin ko yan. Hey Mason! So here in Australia they put on some Christmas lights at people's houses and they look pretty sick. So we're gonna go check them out.
Yeah, you like it?
Ang daming tao dito, grabe. I feel like I'm back in Manila again. You excited to see the Christmas lights, Hallie?
I already have seen them for the past 12 years.
I think the Philippines Christmas lights are better, Hassie,
Why?
in Manila, because there's more of them and they're everywhere. On
Well-
every single street, and people are always outside.
Well, I'm coming to the Philippines next year for Christmas.
Oh, yeah, mate. Down the center.
Serious?
Let's go have a look over here, Shanta. You think, Nathaniel? Pretty crazy. It's a sexy Shanta. Shanta, you stole Grandma's apron. Puti ka, Shanta. Puti ang katawan mo. Nagbalor ka.
Nagvalor ako.
What's in this one? Oh, guitar stand. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Finally, I know. Oh, was it?
Look,
Guitar stand. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Shanta, look. Day of the week socks.
only have water.
What?
It's for your mission.
It was for Chantel, not for us. It was for Chantel, not Shanta. He's excited. Wow.
Put your arm up here.
Oh, really?
Dance, Mace.
Is he?
Not symbols. Give me symbols.
Alright,
You don't like the symbols, huh?
so Hallie, you gotta read out your goal. What's your goal?